Morning, dear students. Today we are going to see about microscope, its classification and its uses, telescope, its types, advantage and disadvantages of telescopes. First is microscope. This is an optical instrument which helps us to see tiny, that is very small objects. Classification of a microscope. It is classified into two. One is simple microscope and another one is compound microscope. Simple microscope. It has a convex lens of short focal length. It is held near the eye to get enlarged image of objects. Let us see the working of simple microscope. Object AB is placed between F and O. As per this position, the convex lens produces an erect, virtual and enlarged image A-B'. The image formed is in the same side of the object and the distance equal to the least distance of distinct vision, that is capital D. It is for normal eye. D is equal to 25 centimeter. Applications or uses. Simple microscopes are used by watch repairers and jewelers. It is used to read small letters clearly. It is used to observe the parts of flowers, insects, etc. It is used to observe fingerprints in the field of forensic science. Compound microscope. It is also used to see tiny objects. It has better magnification power than simple microscope. Magnification power of microscopes can be increased by decreasing the focal length of the lens used. Due to this, the focal length of the lens cannot be decreased beyond certain limit. This problem can be solved by using two separate biconvex lenses. Next is construction. A compound microscope consists of two convex lenses. The lenses with a shorter focal length is placed near the object. It is called objective lens. The lens with larger focal length and larger aperture placed near the observer's eye. It is called eyepiece. Both the lenses are fixed in a narrow tube with adjustable provision. The object AB is placed at a distance slightly greater than the focal length of the objective lens, that is U is greater than F0. A real, inverted and magnified A', B' is formed at the other side of the objective lens. It is given in the diagram. Two lenses are present. One is objective lens, second one is eye lens, that is eyepiece, that is near the observer's eye. This image behaves as the object for the eye lens. The position of the eye lens is adjusted in such a way that the image A', B' falls within the principal focus of the eyepiece. This eyepiece forms a virtual, enlarged and erect image A', B' on the same side of the object. Compound microscope has 50 to 200 times more magnification power than simple microscope. Traveling microscope. It is one of the best instruments for measuring very small length with high degree of accuracy at the order of 0.01 millimeter. It works based on the principle of Vernier. Its least count is 0.01 millimeter. Next is telescope. It is an optical instrument to see the distant objects. Its invention. First telescope was invented by Johann Lippershey in 1608. Second telescope was introduced by Galileo to observe distant objects. Third telescope was discovered by Kepler in 1611, an astronomical telescope. Types of telescopes. According to optical property, it is divided into two types: refracting telescope and reflecting telescope. In refracting telescope, lenses are used: Galilean telescope, Keplerian telescope, achromatic refractors, or some refracting telescopes. In reflecting telescopes, parabolic mirrors are used: Gregorian, Newtonian, Cassegrain telescope or some reflecting telescopes. Based on observations, it is divided into two more types: astronomical telescope and terrestrial telescope. An astronomical telescope is used to view heavenly bodies like stars, planets, galaxies, and satellites. Terrestrial telescopes. The image is an astronomical telescope is inverted, so it is not suitable for viewing objects on the surface of the earth. Therefore, a terrestrial telescope is used. It provides an erect image. The major difference between astronomical and terrestrial telescope is erecting the final image with respect to the object. Next is advantages of telescope. Elaborate view of galaxies, planets, stars and other heavenly bodies is possible. Camera can be attached for taking photograph for the celestial objects. Telescope can be viewed even with the low intensity of light. Next is disadvantages. Frequent maintenance is needed. It is not easily portable one. That's all about today. Listen to the video clip, understand it and study well for the test. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.